Alright guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in this video let's see if we can solve the mini game puzzle and then also claim the cipher Morse code for today. Alright, sorry I did not upload this video on time, but you can still meet up. Alright, that's the first, the second. Alright, okay. Congratulations guys, you just claimed your key for today. Alright, let's see if we can also solve the cipher Morse code and also claim our 1 million bonus for today. Alright, today we'll be spelling vote. Okay, so and the very first letter is V. Triple tap and hold. Tap, 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 hold. The next one is A. That one is common. Tap, hold. You should know that one by now. The next one is U. Tap, tap, hold. And then the next one is L. Tap, hold, tap, tap. The next one is T. Hold. Congratulations guys, you just claimed your daily 1 million cipher Morse code. Alright, so in case you come across the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload video. See you in the next video. Bye.